This is why you've got to be careful when you buy from Amazon, and be really careful when you look at the advert for it. So I bought this, and in the listing it had Lansky mentioned about 3 or 4 times. So I thought, this is the Lansky sharpening system and it's on special offer. When it came, there's no mention of Lansky, and I can see that this is a cheap Chinese copy. So let's have a look. Maybe it's okay. So it's not Lansky, it's Molibao. It seems to have all of the right pieces in here, so it doesn't look too bad. When you open it up, it's got some instructions. It should have oil, but it just has a bottle for the oil. It has a clamp and 5 stones, so it looks pretty good. I'm going to assemble it and then give it a go on a knife. Let's see how well it performs. So I'm just putting the knife in the clamp. I've tightened up the front screw, not too much. I've put a little bit of PostIt note in there just to hold it, to stop it scratching too much. Then I'm just trying to align this and using the back screw to tighten it. Which actually isn't that easy. Okay, I've got it now. So I'm going to try it with the Coarse stone. I'm not using all of them. The angle I've selected is the 20 degrees. So let's just give this a try. I don't know how often I've got to use it. Now the first thing I've noticed is I'm seeing a lot of dust coming off this. Now I'm wondering if it's not dust from the knife or from the stone. I can feel a bit of a burn maybe. Let's turn it over. I'll try and cover all of the edge. But there is a lot of dust, and I don't think it's metal dust either. So I'm just going to do a quick cut test. Well, surprisingly, that's actually made quite a difference. I'm going to go from the coarse to the fine now. Let's give this another try. So at least this is a red stone, so if it's dust from the stone, then I should be able to see it coming off. And yeah, there is a red. So it's certainly wearing a fair amount of this stone, and this isn't a particularly tough steel actually. Let's give it another cut test. Hey, that's not bad at all. And lastly, I'll just clean the edge off. Lastly, I'm going to go for the ultra fine. This is meant to be 1000 grit. So let's just try that. This does feel very smooth actually, so I know it's not taking off too much metal. Let's turn it over. Just make sure I cover all of the blade. And then I'm just going to do a couple of strokes each side. Right, I'm just going to take it out of the clamp. Let's give it a quick cut test. Now, there's a lot of something here. I think it's from the stones actually, but let's just try it. That's actually done a better job than I thought. So maybe this is okay. I've got no idea about longevity, how well the stones will last. Do they sharpen? Yes, they do. Now, if anybody from Lansky is watching this and they want to send me a free version for me to try, I would be more than happy to. So, if you like this, why not give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and then you'll see more of my videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.